Hi, Gareth here.
And
I have Janet with me. And these people.
Where are you going? We're going to Monkey Island.
Forward, Monkey Island. There you go. And now you know where we're headed. Right out that door. We are in Yakutat Bay. And we're approaching Hubbard Glacier, although I think our forward movement has ended. The ship is swinging around. This is the only time they're going to have this open, I think, on this cruise. Let's go up and have a look. And there it is. Right? So the front of the ship is right here. I don't think we're going to get any closer. I'm in the ship, not me. I'm going to go as close as I can. Time-lapse on as we enter Yakutat Bay way out there, and it's been going for a couple hours now. Of course, that's only a 2-minute video. There. That's the crew area down below. Pools, hot tubs, pool, hot tubs. And then this is ice floating. Broke off from the glacier. Yes, Janet said ice, ice, baby. Doom, 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 doom. But I feel like we're going to sit here a while and then we're going to switch back and show the other side. So our cabin is on the port side here. So we're going to go back down there and maybe go live. Walk over here a minute. You see anybody down there? So you see it goes way back there. Miles and miles.